we're going to be covering a common error that I see on the EBOSS product line called system pre-charge error. So here we have a machine that's currently running, but as you notice, we do not have green bars going across and we have a fault active. So the first thing you'll want to do is always check what your faults are. Here we have a system pre-charge error. The first thing you'll want to check is to verify your generator voltage. Here I can see it's set to 459. Now that's a bit too low to get pre-charge into the system. Here you'll want to look at your generator voltage. I notice it's at 459. We want to increase that to anywhere between 480 and 490. And we'll also want to ensure that our main breaker is turned on. Here you'll notice that the fault has cleared itself and normal operation has begun. A good rule of thumb, if you have blue boxes at the bottom, you're ready to go. For more information, visit our support page on our website at anacorp.com.